Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your password on Shopify. What you need to do, first just go to Shopify and log in your account, and then you click here in your username and then click manage account. After that you see here security, and then click here change your password, and then just type here your current password and then click your new password and confirm new password, and then click here change password. In case you forget your current password, just click here forget password and then they will email you. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.